welcome to my channel. It has been a crazy night, a crazy morning, just all kinds of crap just going on, but I'm determined to make this video. Well, technically it's morning, so I guess crazy morning and night, whatever, but I'm determined to do this video because I can't even sleep anyway, and I don't know, I'm up after 30 minutes of sleep, I guess, and just, I don't know, just a bunch of junk going on, but, yeah, earlier I had an epiphany, whatever you want to call it, inspiration to do an Adult Coraline sort of makeup tutorial, and that's what I want to share with you today, and hopefully it goes well. As always, I'm going to prime my face before anything. This is the e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer. I'm first going to start with the eyes, and I'm going to use the Black Heart eyeshadow palette and use this lovely white sort of cream colored shade as my highlighting shade right here across the brow, under the brow, right here. I'm going in with this nice fluffy eyeshadow brush right here. I'm just going to dive in gently and apply like so. Not too much, just a little bit here. See, quick and simple. I want to go in with this other shade that I have available right here. I don't know if you can see it, right, that one. I just want to put that as my lid shade right here because I don't want to do anything too crazy with this look. I want to use is this golden one right here, right by the shade that I just used. I'm using that as my crease shade right here. To use this mocha sort of shade right here for my crease right here, going in like so, diving in just a little bit on the crease, not too intense, just slight. The same for the other side as well. I'm blending that all together the best that I can. Not too bad. Eyebrows, I'm going to darken them with this eyeshadow at the end here, right there, the black shade where my pinky is. That's the shade that I'm going to use. I'm going to take this little tiny eyeshadow brush and dip in just a little bit here and just shake off the excess and just darken them up a little bit. More than they are now, for sure. because from pictures that I've seen, she has really dark eyebrows. Shake out the excess. I think it looks pretty well so far. I think it's good. I'm taking my trusted duo for my eyeliner, the NYX Gel Liner, along with this little tiny brush that makes all my eyelining dreams come true. It's amazing. These two are the best, so I'm using these. This is going to be a literal challenge because I don't have my usual cameraman here today, so bear with me. But I'm diving into the eyeliner. And I don't want to go too crazy with this. I just want to kind of do something light. For this part of the application, because it's time for foundation right here. Ooh. Foundation. This one is Soft Beige from Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and it's a little bit, I think, a little bit lighter than I am, so it'll be like a little bit of a pale sort of tone to my skin. I'm going to set my eyes with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray, just to set what I've already done. I'm taking the same setting spray and just spraying it around my face a few times. My notes, I kind of started contouring off camera just to see if I got the shade right, and I took this darker mocha kind of glittery dark shade and I just went in like so, right in here, and then did a straight line on both sides, and I kind of added some more on the sides of here and on the, I guess, bridge or tip of the nose. So, and then I started blending it out. I don't know. I don't really know how to like do my nose. I'm attempting to. It looks okay in person, but like on camera it's like, what? Going to smooth it out with this like poofy brush, like so. Blending will help it, kinda. Hoping. Then I'm taking this mermaid highlighter. Not sure what shade it is, but it's from Wet n Wild, and taking this brush, diving into that, and just gently going down, try to do a straight line. That is like real shimmery. Going in with the little eyeshadow brush here and trying to blend that highlight out like so. So it's not so clumpy. I think it's okay. I'm trying to give my nose a small look like Coraline has hers. And yeah, I think this is the best that I can do. I still need to watch some more videos on how to do it. To take my big, huge, puffy poof brush right here and my NYX Finishing HD powder and just set the foundation. Then I'm going in with the NYX setting spray to set what I've done to my face. I'm taking the Smashbox and Vlada collab lipstick here in the shade In Bloom, and I'm going to apply that to my lips. I think it's time for me to put on my wig and show you the final product. This is the final product, or final look for the outfit. You can change up the wig, you can do whatever you want. This was the only blue wig that I have, but you know, more of an adult feel for Coraline. I have a suggestion at the end of the video that you might want to check out for this look. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. This is so weird. Like, I'm not used to seeing myself with like super long hair at all, like in any form. So this is just so different. Be sure to subscribe for more videos from me. I'm posting every day for the month of October, so be on the lookout for those. Become part of the notification squad. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.